guys are looking at it, you can see the paper nest right there. I just hit it with a little spray right along the foundation. It's right along the structure, so it's okay to treat for these guys this way in Rhode Island. Apply it like this, and within 3 days they'll be long gone, but you can see them freaking out. Zoom in for you guys. Yeah, see all of them coming out now? Now I'm safe over here. Typically you wouldn't want to apply, like you wouldn't want to use a hose and spray it down because the yellow jackets will actually come out and be drawn to you and chase after you, so you would want to avoid doing stuff like that. But this chemical, it acts like it's rain, so they doesn't even bother them. They don't even come back and follow the chemical to me. They just hang out in the area and just run in. It's a non-repellent too. You can see them diving right back in, so they're not going to be in and out with the typical chemicals like repellents would kind of keep them away. They'd hover away from the nest. I don't know if you guys can hear me too well because of the respirator I have on, but what I'm actually going to do now is what we call the knockdown. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to flush the wall voids for these yellow jackets to kill off these ones in the living areas too. I'm betting the nest is somewhere inside this ceiling. So when I flush this wall void and get this gas in, it's going to kill all of the existing yellow jackets on the inside, along with the spray that you saw me do on the outside. A couple days, this whole thing should be gone. There's a decent amount of entry points in the house now, you can see. I can hear a whole bunch of them inside the ceiling too. They're going pretty crazy. Yeah, this is a contact kill, so as soon as the insect comes in contact with the spray, it's going to be dead within the seconds too. You see them buzzing around up here. These guys are already affected by the striker force. The fan is getting me, that's something that's touching my head. Nice light fogging in the area. A couple squirts just to get it over. Inside the wall wood, I don't know if you can hear them. They're all buzzing around up here, freaking out.